Someone asked me how to catch a cow that doesn't want to get caught. So this is the technique. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to go. Spicy, hey, Spicy. Oh yeah, well, that was good. All right, this is how it goes. You have this part coming up.
Yeah.
And what you're gonna do is just stick it right in the bowl. Cow sticks their head in, and you put it over their head and pull.
You got an ear screwy there.
Whoops. Try to keep the ear in there. We'll try it again. Take it off.
I'm going to stop the start again?
No, keep it on.
Okay.
Keep it on. This time we're going to do it this way. Whoops. Hold on. So can you see it's in the bowl?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
There we go. There we go.
And
Just pull it over her head.
easy peasy wees. So that's how you do it. Good for the food.
Do it again.
I'm going to keep recording.
Are you still recording?
Yep.
Yep. There it is.
What if she's squirrely?
If you're, if she's squirrely, I would have another person help you. Maybe what you would do is you would stick this other rope first around her neck, have someone kind of secure her, and then try that. First, I would try that first. If that doesn't work, try to wrangle her, put it on. Okay.